Why do 44,646 fans already have their tickets for AEW All in 2024? Let's dive in. As of July 31st, AEW All in 2024 has sold an impressive 44,646 tickets, just shy of the reported 45,000. According to Dave Meltzer from the Wrestling Observer newsletter, a recent surge in sales is due to local promotions by AEW stars like Mariah May and Nigel McGuinness. But AEW isn't stopping there. With stars set to appear across Cardiff, Wales, promotional efforts are ramping up. The goal? A whopping 54,000 paid attendees, aiming for the third spot on the UK's all-time wrestling attendance list. However, Meltzer points out a significant challenge: selling an additional 10,000 tickets in a short time frame. Plus, the secondary market activity is lower compared to WWE SummerSlam, hinting at potentially lower demand. And here's an intriguing twist: Bryan Danielson's potential retirement stipulation. While it adds drama, Meltzer believes its impact on ticket sales might be limited, suggesting fans focus more on Danielson's pursuit of a major title. So, wrestling fans, stay tuned and keep your eyes on AEW All in 2024. Will they hit their target? Only time will tell.